everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So today we're going to be baking an apple pie. I do have a blueberry pie video. I've pasted a link down below, so please go and check it out. My confidence when it comes to baking is getting better and better, and that really truly stems from Judy, James's mom, and Aunt Mary. Aunt Mary, when she bakes, she bakes. So when James and I go and visit, and especially around Christmas time, the pies and the cookies and the cakes, so she always tells me, Nikki, all you have to do is just keep trying. Just try and try and try, and eventually you'll get it right. So I've been working on my baking skills. However, I have been taking the easy way out. I have been going to the grocery store and I've been buying the pie crust and the puff pastry, just that I can sort of take it one step at a time when it comes to baking. So in a while, I will ask Aunt Mary if she can teach me how she makes her puff pastries and her pie crust, and maybe I can get a couple cookie recipes, and I would definitely share that with you guys. Well, in the meantime, please come and join me into my kitchen while we bake this apple pie. Oh, just to let you guys know, the fire alarm was going off for 2 hours, so I was singing in my head. I'm cutting the apples into thin slices. I don't have one of those fancy core remover things that they use for apples. I have added the recipe down below. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys like to bake. Remember, you should be cleaning your kitchen while your pie is baking, so that if it doesn't come out good, you just have to throw it out and walk away. Sometimes I do like to rinse off the dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. Every time that I bake a pie, I always say, oh, it doesn't look pretty. But James always says, babes, you baked us a pie. Like, it looks great. It smells amazing. As I said before, baking can be very unforgiving. However, try this recipe or any recipe. All you have to do is try. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe.